So today I'm making some quick and easy pera and some barfi. So I'm using shredded coconut, whole milk powder, and condensed sweetener. So I have some milk powder here already. So I'm gonna leave this aside and I'm gonna do the pera first. So I'm gonna put in some of the shredded coconut, and then I'm gonna mix it in with some condensed whitener. I don't measure, I just average. This is the barfi I'm making here. So I pour in some condensed milk. It's not condensed milk, I'm saying it's creamer. And then I'm gonna mix the coconut and milk powder together. It's very sticky, so I have to do it with my hands. This is not working.